Hi friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Software Testing Made Easy. So in our previous videos we have seen what is software testing, what is a manual testing, what are their advantages and disadvantages. So in continuation with that, today we will discuss about how to perform manual testing. So this is a very important topic. So the first step in how to perform manual testing is the first software tester observe all the documents related to the software. First they observe the functional requirements. What are the functional requirements? So that they can select the testing area, what exactly needs to be tested. This is the first step. Second is tester analyze the requirement document to cover all the requirement which are told by the customer. So analyze it they analyze the documents which are shared by the client or the customer, we can say, so that they can select the testing areas, and based on that they prepare the test strategy, test cases, test scenarios, and finally the test data according to the document which are shared by the client. The fourth step is all these test cases are executed manually. All these test cases are executed manually with the help of black box testing, right? And if any bug is occurred, then test team inform it to the development team. If they found any bug, then they inform this to the development team, and development team fix the bug and handle the software to the testing team for the retest. So these are the steps. Let me quickly revise all these things. First, they observe the documents related to the software to select the testing areas. Then they analyze the document to cover all the areas or all the points which are shared by the client. Then they prepare the test strategy, test cases, test scenario, and test data, and either in Excel format or if they have any other document. Then these test cases are executed manually by using the black box testing, and if they found any bug, then they inform this to the development team, and development team fix the bugs, handle the software to the testing team for the retesting. So now with related to it, we'll see what is a software build process. So whenever any requirement comes, it is divided among the two teams. First one is the testing team, and then we have the development team. So tester, what do? They review the requirement and write the test document. And on the other side, the person who's the developer, they start doing the coding. And when they do the coding, they store the code in the control vision tool. So what is a control vision tool? It's a tool where we can save the different type of files, and it is secure also because we access the file from this tool using the same credential. The main objective of this control vision tool is to track the changes which are done in the existing file. So once the code is written, it is sent to the build team. So what is the job of build team? They compile and compress the code in a build tool. So now here comes the question, what is a build? This term we have been listening in the software in IT very frequently. We listen to this term. So it's a software which is used to convert a code into the application format. It's a software which is used to convert a code into the application format, and it consists of some set of features and bugs fixed that are handled to the testing team for testing purpose until it becomes stable, right? So once the code is compiled and compressed, it's stored in the built version in the zip format, and then it is uploaded on the test server. So QA or the testing team install this test server on their local machine and start doing the testing. So once this new build is placed, like build 01, build 02 and so on, so whenever any new build is added to this server, the old build is removed, right? So this is how a software build process works in IT. Thank you. I hope you understand this video. If you really like this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.